Ken Fane, Island Carpet Tile and Hardwoods. You know, one of my very favorite movies of all time is Ratatouille. Remember that scene where the chef reassures the little mouse and says, anyone can cook? You know something? It may well be that anyone can cook, but not everybody can install flooring. And when I say flooring, I mean every type of flooring, not just carpet, but ceramic tile, wood floors, even the so-called do-it-yourself luxury vinyl plank. Why is that? Installation of flooring takes years to learn and to be able to cope with any difficult spots in your house that require technical knowledge in order to make sure that that installation lasts and doesn't fail. So while anyone perhaps can cook, not everybody can install flooring successfully. If you're going to make the investment in the product, make the investment in the craftsman. Ken Fane, Island Carpet Tile and Hardwoods.